4. There comes a moment in life when you realize nobody is coming to save you. No perfect opportunity, no magical motivation, no easy road. The day you understand that is the day your unstoppable mindset begins. An unstoppable mindset is not about being perfect. It's about refusing to quit when life gets difficult. It's about waking up every morning with purpose, discipline, and belief in yourself even when nobody else believes in you. Winners are not born different. They simply think differently. They train their minds to stay focused during pain, rejection, failure, and pressure. And once your mind becomes stronger than your excuses, your life changes forever. Most people stay stuck in life because they are waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is that the perfect moment is a myth. It never arrives, and it never has. People imagine that one day everything will align perfectly, confidence will appear, fear will disappear, money will be enough, and circumstances will finally feel. Right? But life does not work that way. Life rewards action, not waiting. The longer you wait for everything to feel easy, the longer you delay your own growth. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are right now, unsure, uncertain, and even afraid, but they chose to move anyway. Fear is not a sign to stop, it is a signal that you are stepping into something meaningful. If you only act when you feel ready, you will stay in the same place forever because readiness is built through experience, not thought. Confidence does not come before action, it comes after action. Every step you take, even if it is small, begins to build momentum, and momentum is what turns doubt into belief. The first attempt may feel uncomfortable, imperfect, or even embarrassing, but it is still progress, and progress is what changes everything over time. Comfort is the real enemy of success because it convinces you that staying still is safe. But nothing grows inside comfort. Dreams regarding, or quiet movement, risk, and the willingness to look foolish at the beginning. If you keep waiting for the fear to disappear, you will miss opportunities that only come once. Life does not pause for hesitation, it responds to action. The moment you decide to move forward without guarantees, you step into a different level of possibility where growth becomes inevitable and transformation begins quietly through consistent effort and courage that builds within you with every decision you make. Pain is something every person tries to avoid, yet it is the very thing that shapes strength, character, and resilience. No one builds an unstoppable mindset without going through discomfort. The truth is simple. Growth always comes with resistance. Just like muscles do not grow without weight, the mind does not grow without challenges. Every difficult situation you face is not there to destroy you, but to develop you into someone stronger than before. When life feels heavy, it is often because you are, or being prepared for a higher level that requires a stronger version of you. Most people break when things get hard because they expect life to be easy. But success is not easy, and it was never meant to be. The pressure you feel is not punishment, it is training. Every setback teaches patience, every failure teaches awareness, and every struggle teaches endurance. Instead of asking why something painful is happening, the real question is what this experience is building inside you. Because in those moments of discomfort, your mindset is being reshaped. There is also a deeper truth that many ignore. Avoiding pain does not remove it, it only delays it. If you avoid discipline today, you will feel regret later. If you avoid hard work now, you will face limitations later. Pain is not the enemy, it is a teacher. It forces you to grow in ways comfort never could. The strongest people are not those who never fall, but those who keep rising every time they do. They learn to stand in pressure or without losing direction. And that is what separates temporary motivation from an unstoppable mindset that continues moving forward regardless of difficulty, failure, or fear. The way you speak to yourself every single day is shaping your identity more than anything else in your life. Most people underestimate this inner conversation, yet it is the foundation of confidence, fear, success, or failure. If your self-talk is negative, critical, and filled with doubt, your actions will always reflect that inner weakness. But when you begin to shift the language inside your mind, you start to shift the direction of your entire life. Your mind is always listening, even when you think no one is paying attention. Every thought you repeat becomes a belief, and every belief slowly turns into behavior. Many people sabotage themselves without realizing it because they constantly repeat limiting statements like, I am not good enough, I always fail, or I cannot do this. Over time, these phrases, or stop feeling like thoughts and start feeling like truth. Once something feels like truth in your mind, it begins to control your decisions. You stop trying, you avoid challenges, and you expect failure before even starting. This is how potential gets destroyed silently from within. But the powerful shift happens when you deliberately change that internal dialogue. Instead of attacking yourself, you start guiding yourself. Instead of speaking defeat, you start speaking direction. Words like, I am learning, I am improving, and I will figure this out begin to rewire how you respond to pressure. It does not mean you ignore reality or pretend everything is easy. It means you choose language that builds strength instead of breaking it. Over time, this new self-talk creates emotional stability. When challenges come, you do not immediately collapse into doubt because your mind is trained to respond with solutions instead of fear. You become someone who can think clearly under pressure, or someone who does not quit at the first sign of difficulty. Someone who slowly develops mental control over reactions and emotions while continuing forward even when uncertainty is present and outcomes are not guaranteed. Discipline is the quiet force behind every successful life, yet it is also the one thing most people struggle to build. Motivation can inspire you for a moment, but it disappears when life becomes difficult or when emotions shift. Discipline, however, is what keeps you moving when motivation is gone. It is the ability to do what needs to be done even when you do not feel like doing it. And this is where most people fail, not because they lack dreams, but because they depend too much on feelings instead of commitment. An unstoppable mindset is built through repetition, not emotion. The small decisions you make every day define your future more than any big decision you make once in a while. Waking up on time, staying consistent with your goals, finishing tasks even when, they feel boring or difficult. These actions may seem small, but they create a powerful identity over time. You slowly become the kind of person who does not break promises to themselves. Discipline also removes confusion from life. When you are disciplined, you do not waste energy deciding whether you should act or not. You simply act. This creates clarity, focus, and direction. You stop negotiating with excuses and start building results. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you strengthen your control over your habits, and your habits eventually shape your entire destiny. The uncomfortable truth is that success always requires sacrifice. There will be moments when you must choose effort over ease and growth over comfort. But every time you push through resistance, you become stronger mentally and emotionally. Over time, discipline stops feeling like a struggle and starts becoming part of your identity. And once discipline becomes who you are, not just what you do, you be. Or even operating at a level where consistency replaces motivation and long-term success becomes not just possible but inevitable because your actions are no longer dependent on mood but on purpose and commitment. The energy you surround yourself with has a direct impact on your mindset, your focus, and the direction of your life. Many people underestimate how much their environment shapes their thoughts and decisions. If you constantly expose yourself to negativity, doubt, distraction, and people who do not believe in growth, it slowly becomes harder to stay focused on your goals. Your mind absorbs what you repeatedly see, hear, and experience. That is why protecting your energy is not selfish, it is necessary if you want to build an unstoppable mindset. Not everyone deserves access to your time, attention, or emotional space. Some conversations drain your motivation instead of building it. Some relationships pull you backward instead of pushing you forward. If you are serious about your future, you must learn the power of distance from anything that weakens your focus. This does not mean you hate people or isolate yourself completely. It means you become selective about what influences your mind on a daily basis. Focus is one of the most valuable skills in life, yet it is constantly under attack in a world full of distractions. Social media, opinions, comparisons, and unnecessary noise can easily pull your attention away from what truly matters. Every time you shift your focus to something unimportant, you lose progress on something meaningful. That is why protecting your focus is the same as protecting your future. An unstoppable mindset grows in environments where discipline, ambition, and clarity are present. When you intentionally choose what you consume and who you allow into your space, Your thoughts become clearer and your direction becomes stronger. You stop reacting to everything around you and start intentionally creating your path forward. Over time, his protection of energy builds mental strength, emotional stability, and deep focus that allows you to stay committed to your goals, even when distractions and doubts try to pull you away from your purpose and vision. There will always come moments in life when everything feels heavy, when progress seems slow, and when doubt starts to whisper that giving up might be easier. Every person who ever chased something meaningful has faced this same turning point. The difference between those who succeed and those who fall short is not talent, luck, or perfect circumstances. It is the decision to keep going when everything inside them says stop. An unstoppable mindset is built in these moments, not in times of comfort. Giving up often feels like relief in the short term, but it creates long-term regret. When you quit, you don't just lose the goal, you lose the version of yourself that was being built through the process. Every challenge you face is shaping strength, patience, and resilience. Or inside you, even if you cannot see it yet, the progress may feel slow, but progress that is consistent always compounds into transformation over time. It is important to remember that setbacks are not the end of your story. They are pauses, redirections, and lessons that prepare you for something greater. Many people stop right before a breakthrough because they mistake difficulty for failure. But difficulty is often the final test before growth. The path to success is never a straight line. It is filled with delays, obstacles, and moments of uncertainty that are meant to strengthen your commitment. What truly defines you is not how you start, but how many times you choose to rise after falling. Every time you continue despite exhaustion, doubt, or fear, you are proving to yourself that you are stronger than your circumstances. This inner strength builds quietly over time until one day you realize that what once felt impossible now feels natural because persistence has reshaped your identity and turned you into someone who no longer surrenders to difficulty but continues moving forward no matter how slow the progress may feel or how heavy the journey becomes.